Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my black pink shirt because I'm filming my apartment tour for you guys for 2023. I am so excited and I haven't filmed a apartment tour since 2021. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So yeah, same as last time, 2 mirrors here. Down here, I just have some shoes, the boots I was wearing because it's snowy outside, and then, you know, some like shoes that I wear often. So this is really great if you want to carry stuff from the parking garage upstairs. So that little bucket. So the closet, I just have a bunch of more pairs of shoes and then some winter jackets and cardigans and whatever. But yeah, guys, that is the closet. Let's move on in. A little hallway. This is the bathroom. That little pink marble carpet thingy. And then the cute little sink area. I have my eyelashes here that I can still reuse. Some skincare, love that Chanel cleanser, and another little mirror here. You know, some makeup goodies. Cute little art piece on top of my toilet, and then a little IKEA stand I've had since like 2019, my first apartment, and then a bunch of skincare, eyelashes. I love those eyelashes, makeup bags, you know, and then my cute piggy shower curtain, guys. Do you guys remember this? It's still the same pig shower curtain, my favorite. Got ripped off from Amazon when I could have like cobalt drive you all that, but anyways, so cute, guys. So this is the first bathroom. My bedroom looks like this. But yeah, I have a little art thing that says life is beautiful, guys. Hell yeah, it is. And then my bed is gray, and you know, the bed sheets are gray as well for cozy vibes. And then this like bedspread or whatever I got from Thailand, but it's like pink, gray, and white. And then over here, I have this little carpet that my mom got as well, some slippers, and then I have this IKEA little nightstand with a jelly cat, and then, you know, some essentials, and then like another little bunny art piece. I remember last time I filmed this video, this room didn't have any furniture. Like, I could not sleep in here yet, but fast forward, you know, it's nice, it's cozy, it's great. This is the biggest area, so the living room, and this is the study. Let me just show you guys. This cute little light, and then this painting. My work laptop, but this is the IKEA desk, cute little chair, and then a little ice bear carpet. I have this little pink woven, it looks like BB, but it's a tissue holder. Yeah, just a little bit of the back. I have, you know, some makeup here, Charlotte's Tilbury eyeshadow, some perfume samples, some really awesome lip glosses, and then a picture of my mom and I, there we go, picture of my boyfriend and I, and then some phone cases, AirPod case, and then my Vivienne Westwood bag my boyfriend got me, and then some jewelry, my favorite Justin Clinquet, love, and then some of my everyday rings. This place is so cute. It's just like a little corner where I spend most of my time is here. So yeah, back then during uni, I would sit here doing uni work. Now I am here doing legit work. My 9-to-5 corporate job because we're a corporate girly. 50 rocks. I got that for my 21st birthday from my friends Louise and Joanna, and I've just kept it up there. You know, oven and the microwave, cute little piggy washcloth, hand drying towel. Yeah, some mugs. And then, yeah, this is an air fryer. Oh my God, what a nice selection. 2 añejo tequilas, 1 bread and butter Pinot Noir, and an oyster bay Sauvignon Blanc. But yeah, that is so good. This one is so good. Highly recommend. But yeah, and then this is a little wine rack, but I don't keep the usual on it. I have my little Bruno like hot pot, and then some mugs, my kettle, a little Kate Spade toaster, some wine glasses, a little humidifier, and the box to my marble charcuterie board. This area I think I've had in my last apartment tour, but it's just like a little dining table. I spend a lot of time here as well, so just like gray chairs, and then in the middle I just have that little vase thing that I got from IKEA, but you could literally put anything inside. Like, I see restaurants putting drinks in that, but it's like really cute, so I just got it. And then this little gray thing that my mom got. I mean, most of these things my mom got, but yeah, little gray couch, so comfy looking. Honestly, if you take like these cushions off, it can turn into a legit bed, even though it's not a sofa bed, but it's just comfy. And then I have a gray fuzzy pillow, gray fuzzy blanket, and then my army of stuffed animals. Carolyn got me that little pig jelly cat, and then all of these are just so cute. Bonsai tree little Lego is sitting on top of a nice little, how would you call that? A sofa table? A coffee table? I don't know, a nice little chaji. But I'm obsessed with this little corner. This lamp is so cute. You probably can't tell because of the lighting, but the lamp is actually dark gray. You can probably find it still from Amazon, but it's so cute. And then this little table has a bunch of cute stuff on it as well. A bunch of menghe and then like candles and just little things. Irene got the Liu Xiaoya menghe for me recently, so cute. And that carpet is from IKEA. This table is from like a Chinese furniture store, but a lot of, like I feel like a lot of manufacturers make them. I've seen it on Wayfair too. And then I have my nice little selfie lamp or selfie lighting. If my friends come over to take selfies, we just use it. And then my army of empty alcohol bottles. This was finished over the span of like 2022. Like seriously guys, if you want me to like do a video of the best alcohol or something, let me know, because me and my boyfriend and just me and my friends just love to drink. 小酌, just we love to have a nice drink sometimes, like a nice little cocktail or just a nice yuzu, a nice sake, a nice wine. So yeah, nothing crazy. And then this little table with my YesStyle blouse candle, Jo Malone cream. I got this little Keep It Classy board from Taobao and it looks so cute. So yeah, going in to this next bedroom, I just have some random things. This is such a mess, guys. And then it has nice big mirrors. It's literally a closet. As you can see the rack, I have a nice little IKEA rack with some clothes. I love taking pictures here as well. It's just really great. We love this lighting. UFT bookstore bag, IKEA rack with a bunch of clothes on it. Let me show you guys this closet as well, I guess. So yeah, I have a cap, some bags, and then a bunch of my other clothes as well. Some of my mom's dresses. Yeah, so that is what the closet has. And then over here is just another bathroom. So of course the same thing again. The sink looks like this. I take a lot of my little outfit mirror selfies here as well. And then I have my little T3 hair dryer. I think Essence sells T3 hair dryers. And then this is another little cabinet. I actually have nothing in here. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this bathroom. So that is pretty much the end of the apartment tour for 2023. Hope you guys had a great time watching. Definitely like this video, subscribe, check me out on my other social media platforms. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.